Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Munbyn Money Counter Machine. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to ensure accuracy when it comes to counting their cash. So ensuring accuracy, detecting any counterfeit bills, detecting any bills that are stuck together. This is going to count money way faster than any human would. So first things first, you're simply just going to plug it in. And by plugging it in, you do also have the digital counter right over here. And then how this essentially works is that you have 5 main buttons. So the restart button is obviously going to restart it. If you click on add, this is going to make it so it adds the money all together. So this money counter machine has 2 main types of counters. It actually counts the number of bills, and then it also counts the value of the bills. So this is how you actually go ahead and use it. So if you want to add everything all together, you do have to separate your bills by the actual value. So I have my 1 separated, the 5 separated, and the 20 separated. So let's first grab our stack of ones. And what we'll do is that we click on add so that the add pops up on screen. And then we're going to click on value. And you want to ensure that the value total is equal to 1 because we're inputting $1 bills. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and face it downwards and then flip it upwards, and then it's going to go ahead and count the money. So you can see that there's been 14 pieces inserted with a value of 14. So we'll grab our $5 bills next, and then same thing, we're going to change the value to $5 bills, and then we're going to point this stack downwards, and then we're going to point it upwards. So as you can see, we now have a total of 25 pieces and $69 total added. So if we go ahead and get our 10 stack now, so we only have $30 added onto here. We'll click on the value equals 10, and then face it downwards, and then face it upwards. And there you have it. It's now added $30. And then last, we have our stack of 20s. So the stack of 20s, we're going to make sure that the value is set to 20, and then face it downwards, and then go ahead, and there you have it. So I've already triple checked, and the total count for the cash here is 319, and there is 39 total pieces. And so with this money counter machine, again, it ensures accuracy. It makes sure that there's no mistakes. It's faster at counting money as well. In addition to that, you don't have to worry about any counterfeit bills. It detects counterfeit bills. If one of these bills was fake, you would receive an error on screen. If 2 bills were stuck together, or if a bill was ripped in half, you would also get an error on screen, and you would basically just remove that bill and count the actual countable bills. But with that being said, that's how you go ahead and use the Munbyn Money Counter Machine. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.